Hi and welcome to this week's project. This week's project is going to be a Valentine's project. Thought I'd come in at the beginning and I'm also going to come back at the end just to talk about the resin and the project. I'm going to be using this 1-to-1 resin. It's from Resin Pro. I'll put the links below to this resin. As you've probably seen, a couple of weeks ago they gifted me some resin, so I've been quite enjoying just having a play around with it really, and just seeing what I think about it. For the project I'm actually going to be doing some pendants, so so I shall come back at the end and we'll just talk about the project and how it went, and I hope you enjoy. So I shall leave it to the video now. Thanks very much for watching.
Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me, all my are healed. When I'm with you, I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are. I know everything has an end, and I know that we are not getting any younger. But as long as there is time, I will walk beside you. 'Cause I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me, all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you, I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. Then I know I just wanna be where you are. I just wanna be where you are.
Had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed.
Hi and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that. It is a quick video, this one. They're really quite a simple project. I didn't degas the resin in this. This is the two here. I didn't degas the resin in this. Once I put it in the makeshift moulds, I basically just left it on the side. I actually left it for a good week or so, because I didn't have time to complete the project straight away, so it was a good about a week. This is one. I was really pleased actually with the way that they came out. The resin, the shine on the resin came out beautiful. This was the second one here. I did have more of a problem with this one. When I drilled it out, I went a bit too heavy on the drill and broke the drill bit actually, just drilling through that tiny wee piece, and I ended up messing up the hole a bit, but yeah, by the time I put the little bit of leather on it, it's fine. But this one came out a lot better. The second time that I drilled it, I was a little bit more aware. So yeah, so that was them came out. This one, let me take this off, see if we can see. I did this, obviously it was a clear, and I just put some white through it. I don't know if you can see that on there, but you can actually see right through it. And this one was a more opaque colour with the greens in it. It was cocobolo actually is the wood. I had some bits of cocobolo that I used, and because it shines really, really beautiful. I used the min wax, I used the poly on it, and then I used a buffing machine to get the high shine. That was all I did. I didn't have to do anything else. But I think the resin actually shined up just perfect really. I don't think it needed any other work done on it. After, resin sands really well anyway, so once the poly had gone on it and I'd sanded down through the grits, I tend to sand sort of like 120 up, because the bench sander that has 120 on, and then I sort of sand up to about 600 and then use the poly on it on the top. The buffing machine is really what does the work on this, because it does get a lot of those little fine scratches out and gives it a really good shine at the end. So that was it. Quite pleased with the resin. You know, perfect for little projects like that. I haven't really been on and looked at what the prices of any of this is. So a little project for you this week. Hope you enjoyed. It's ready for Valentine's, so you've got plenty of time to go ahead and make something like this if you're looking for a gift. And you know, you can pick up little bits of scrap wood anywhere, so it doesn't have to be anything fancy. I mean, this wood is particularly beautiful, but it doesn't have to be a fancy wood like that. There's plenty of good wood that's just probably hanging around if you're a bit of a hobbyist anyway. So hope you enjoyed this. Do give that thumbs up if you like what you see. It does really help when I get that. Please leave a comment. I do always try to answer the comments. Sometimes it's a little while later because obviously I work and it has to go around my work. But yeah, do that. I've also got all the links to my Etsy and Facebook and stuff below if you want to see. My Etsy's mainly pen blanks that I do. I do some pens and some boxes and stuff on there, so every now and again those come up. Please do check them out. If you like what you see, don't forget to press that subscribe button and press the bell next to it and you'll get your notifications. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.